Tackle overgrown grass and edges effortlessly with advanced cordless technology. The best cordless weed trimmer combines power, precision, and portability for clean, professional results. Enjoy hassle-free yard maintenance with lightweight design, long battery life, and adjustable features that make trimming faster and more comfortable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WORX Weed Trimmer. The WORX Weed Trimmer is a versatile and efficient yard care tool that combines the functionality of a string trimmer and an edger in one lightweight design. With its 2-in-1 conversion system, you can easily switch between trimming and edging in seconds, making it an ideal choice for maintaining neat lawns and sharp borders. One of its best features is the command feed spool system, which provides instant line feeding at the push of a button, eliminating downtime and frustration during work. The inclusion of free spools for life is a significant advantage, offering long-term savings on maintenance costs. The head tilts up to 90 degrees, allowing users to reach difficult areas, handle uneven terrain, and trim along slopes effortlessly. Rubberized wheels support the edger, ensuring smoother motion and straighter lines for a more polished finish. The adjustable spacer guard protects plants, garden decorations, and lawn features from accidental damage, giving users more control and confidence. With a 7,600 RPM no-load speed and a 12-inch cutting diameter, it delivers reliable power for small to medium-sized yards. Compact, easy to maneuver, and thoughtfully designed, the WORX Weed Trimmer is perfect for homeowners who want a dependable, easy-to-use tool that delivers professional results without the hassle of gas-powered equipment. Number 2. Ego Power Plus Weed Trimmer. The Ego Power Plus Weed Trimmer offers powerful and professional-grade performance for anyone who values efficiency and durability in their yard maintenance. Equipped with a dual-feed spiral twist line and a 15-inch cutting swath, it effortlessly cuts through thick weeds and grass while maintaining precision. Its high-efficiency brushless motor delivers longer run times, reduced vibration, and a longer motor lifespan, ensuring consistent performance over time. The IPX4 weather-resistant build allows it to withstand outdoor conditions, providing versatility even in damp environments. One of the most convenient features is the rapid reload head, which allows users to replace the cutting line quickly. Simply align the arrows, insert the line, and twist to lock it in place. The variable speed control lets users adapt to different trimming conditions, offering better control and power management. Powered by a 56V 2.5 amp-hour ARC lithium battery, it delivers incredible power with a fast 50-minute full charge time. The fan-cooled charging system prevents overheating, enhancing both battery and charger lifespan. Lightweight yet strong, this trimmer gives you the performance of a gas-powered machine without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. For homeowners who want reliability, strength, and cutting-edge technology, the Ego Power Plus Weed Trimmer stands as one of the best cordless models on the market. Number 3. WORX Weed Trimmer. The WORX Weed Trimmer brings together power, precision, and eco-friendliness in one high-performing tool. Featuring a 60V brushless motor, it delivers exceptional torque and cutting performance that rivals gas-powered trimmers without the noise, emissions, or maintenance hassle. Its 16-inch cutting diameter provides excellent coverage, allowing users to handle large lawns or thick patches of weeds more efficiently. The intelligent brushless motor not only improves power output, but also extends the tool's lifespan while reducing vibration for smoother operation. Starting it is effortless. Just press a button and you're ready to trim. The ergonomic design and balanced weight distribution make it comfortable to hold, reducing strain during extended use. With zero emissions, it's an environmentally conscious choice that supports cleaner, quieter yard work. The battery-powered design also eliminates the need for cords or fuel mixing, offering maximum convenience. Compatible with other WORX 60V tools, this trimmer can share batteries, making it a smart investment for users with multiple WORX products. Whether you're trimming around fences, garden edges, or large open spaces, the WORX weed trimmer delivers professional results with minimal effort, making it a top pick for those seeking clean energy and superior performance in one efficient package. Number 4. Milbus Weed Trimmer. The Milbus Weed Trimmer is designed for flexibility, power, and comfort, offering a versatile cordless solution for homeowners who want easy yet powerful lawn maintenance. Compatible with dewalt 20V batteries, it's a cost-effective choice for users who already own dewalt tools, removing the need for extra batteries or chargers. The 21V brushless motor provides high efficiency, producing up to 23,000 RPM of cutting speed while staying energy efficient and quiet. It features 5 interchangeable blades that make it suitable for multiple tasks, ranging from trimming soft grass and weeds to cutting thicker branches and hedges. The lightweight 4-pound design makes it easy to handle, especially for seniors or those seeking a low-fatigue experience. Safety is a top priority, with a double-switch system, edge guide, and blade guards ensuring accident-free operation. Its telescopic pole extends from 38 to 53 inches, accommodating users of all heights, while the adjustable head, 0, 45, and 90 degrees, enables easy trimming around corners, patios, and uneven spots. This low-noise trimmer minimizes disturbance, making it perfect for quiet neighborhoods. With its combination of precision, adjustability, and ergonomic design, the Milbus Weed Trimmer provides a comfortable and reliable trimming experience suitable for everyday yard care. Number 5. Wild Weed Trimmer. The Wild Weed Trimmer stands out as a powerhouse for those who want versatility, strength, and reliability in one tool. Designed as a 4-in-1 multifunctional unit, it effortlessly transforms into a 17-inch string trimmer, a 9.4-inch pole saw, a 16-inch hedge trimmer, and a 10-inch brush cutter. The convenience of switching between attachments within seconds adds a major advantage, allowing you to transition from trimming to pruning or edging without downtime. At the heart of this trimmer is a 26cc full-crank 2-cycle gas-powered engine that delivers robust performance and long-lasting reliability. Once started, the engine runs smoothly, and its aluminum-supported transmission helps reduce vibration, making operation comfortable even during longer use. The build quality of the Wild Weed Trimmer is another highlight. It feels sturdy yet well-balanced, ensuring that users can maneuver it comfortably around their yard. The design reflects attention to both durability and ergonomics, which becomes apparent when trimming uneven terrain or cutting through thicker vegetation. What makes it even more appealing is its compatibility with Wild Badger power attachments, giving users access to a wider range of functionalities without needing separate machines. This compatibility means you can expand your collection with ease, saving both storage space and money. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.